Kambili, stupid girl, get up from there. It is morning. Lazy thing, go and cook before your sister wakes up.
Ma, it is 3 a.m. Everywhere is still dark.
And so, you want your sister to wake up and not meet food? Get up.
Every step that I take, like a drop in the rain. Hold me in like
Kambili, this compound is not clean. You call this sweeping. Do it again.
Okay, ma, I will.
I will find
Chukuzobam.
even after the rain. I rise with the sun. I carry the hope, though the battle.
You put too much pepper again. Can you not do anything right?
I have not added pepper yet, ma.
Are you arguing with me this early morning? Useless girl. Foolish thing, look at you. Ugly thing. That's why your life is like this. Witch. That woman from down the road came by again with her stories. She said the market prices are going up.
What of Busoma? Is she still sleeping?
Yes, oh, my lovely princess is still sleeping.
Okay, I thought she's awake.
No, please let her sleep, Biko.
I am more than the silence. I am more than the fall. Even after the rain, I stand tall. Even after the rain.
Nay, you are awake. How did you sleep? You look tired, my dear. Are you okay?
I'm fine, mama. Just tired.
Kambili! Kambili! Come and dish food for your sister. And bring cold water.
Yes, ma. I'm coming, ma.
I am not alone. I am rising again. This path is my own. And though the night is long, I will see a new day.
Hi, bestie. How far now? I know I will meet you here, businesswoman. You know me now. Though I have missed you. How are you? Idejari, how markets? Fine, though. Come, you never chopped since morning, Abby. I know you. Eat something. Zikora, I ate. Standing in that kitchen alone is not eating. Sit down and chop this thing properly. Come, I need to tell you something. What happened? I got the Abuja job. That is good news. Congratulations. Come, I said congratulations, Zikora. I will call you every day. You don't have to. I know, I will anyway. When are you going to stop pretending you are fine? Come, when are you leaving? 2 weeks. Okay, I wish you all the best. I will miss you though. I will miss you too.
I came to tell you something. Your father and I have decided. We are giving your mother's market stall to Soma. She needs something to keep her busy. It makes sense.
In one day, in just one day, I have lost 2 things. Chukubiko Chetam, God, are you in heaven?
Light of the morning, I rise from the pain. Every step that I take, like a drop in the rain. Chukuzobam, hold me